Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to make a line chart in Google Sheet on computer. So how to make a line chart in Google Sheet on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Google Sheets application on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display of the Google Sheets work page. Here I will use this table data. Just point the cursor to the top of the screen. Here there are several menu options. Tap the Insert menu. Here a scrolling menu will appear. Tap the Chart menu. Here it will appear like this on the right side of the screen. Just enter the table data. Tap on this data range icon. Now this input menu will appear. In this section, enter all the first table data or brand. Then tap Add here. Enter price data by blocking all the tables on the first day. Then tap Add here. Enter price data by blocking all the tables on the second day and tap OK. Can be seen here is still in the form of a column. I will change it to a line chart in this way. Here it will appear like this. And to edit it, tap on the Customize section. Here there are many menu options. Next tap Chart Axis Title. And in the Here section tap the title of the column chart that will be created. Now you can edit the axis chart like I did. Now here it has been completed. Next tap on Series. And scroll down. Tap Data Label. Here it functions to display comparative sales label data. Can be seen here it has been completed. So that's it, tutorial how to make a line chart in Google Sheet on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.